Hi everyone, I'm Matt Freeman, Account Manager for Adhesives at Huntsman. On the manufacturing floor, avoiding bottlenecks is key to maximizing productivity. ARALDITE 2035 improves production throughput and helps finish assembling parts in one working shift. ARALDITE 2035 adhesive has a working time of 1 hour and achieves handling strength in just 4.5 hours at room temperature. The long working time allows for the assembly of larger parts. Being a non-sag formula, this adhesive is well suited for use on vertical or overhead surfaces and for parts that need gap fill properties. ARALDITE 2035 is resistant to environmental degradation and aging, which provides increased lifetime and reduced maintenance of parts. With a superior service temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ARALDITE 2035 is great across a wide range of applications, including bonding electric vehicle components, under the hood automotive uses, oil and gas, and general industry applications. The combination of high service temperature, high compressive strength, and time to handling strength is a step above the competition for an adhesive that cures at room temperature. To learn more, visit the Huntsman website or send us an email.